What a mark carved on my heart. I was struck by Cupid's darts. Hit so fast I did not see. Before I knew, love captured me. Believe me, this was not my choice. I did my best to quiet the noise. Will ever he know what he's done? The depth in which this potion runs. To dusk, with each story endings come. With the ticking of the clock, I long for another touch. Could I have known this fate at all?